The hell that?
Exploding shotgun
Exploding
shells.
shotgun shells. They say the Army use them. And then what they say they use them for is when they shoot something to light something up so that they can shoot at it or something.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Tracer or?
Totally
I don't know. Some kind of shell thing. Is
Never shot one.
This ought to be cool.
Oh, let's see what this does.
I had the ones with bird bangers.
I never shot one yet, so we'll find out.
This ought to be cool.
I guess it's on fire. That's on fire. There we go.
Jeez.
That's not bad.
That's awesome.
Flare. Huh? Yeah, it's like a flare thing.
Let's see what it
I figured it'd be more of an explosion, though. You know?
Maybe you shoot it at something that's not a target, though.
What's that?
Oh shit. There's one.